Hi, I'm David Juncker. I'm a professor in biomedical engineering at McGill University, as well as the department chair. And McGill University is in Montreal in Canada. I also hold a Canada research chair in bioengineering. And I'm grateful for the 5th Digital Congress on Nanobiotechnology and Bioengineering for inviting me and giving the opportunity of sharing our work with a wider audience. And I'm also very excited because I think we're witnessing a revolution thanks to the advent of very low cost, high resolution 3D printers that will now give the opportunity for anyone with capital resources of a few $100s and the ability maybe to make some basic chemistry to manufacture structures, microstructures that, such as the microfluidic chip shown behind me, which previously would require really significant capital investment, but which now can be made very easily and shared very easily around the world. And so my talk will be on, I'm sorry, it's quite a mouthful, but it's on high resolution, low cost 3D printing and photo inks for microfluidics, organ-on-a-chip devices, and tissue engineering. And so at my talk, I will cover the basics of 3D printing and some difference between direct write and photo 3D printing. And then we'll move into microfluidics, such as the lab on a chip here that we're seeing, a lab on a chip without peripherals, all driven by capillary forces and 3D printed. Then we'll cover the application of 3D printing to organ on a chip, where we'll focus on making biocompatible inks so that we can 3D print these organ on a chip structures and culture cells. And then finally conclude by discussing LCD 3D printers, discuss both their strengths, which is the low cost and high resolution, as well as their limitations, and how to overcome those limitations so that you can use them for making the kind of devices you see behind me, as well as organ-on-a-chip device. So if you attend my talk, you'll learn more about this, and hopefully you can then learn to use my 3D printing in your lab and download different designs from the internet. And with that, I'd like to conclude this introduction, and again, thank the organizers for inviting me.